Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to unfollow everyone on TikTok. So let's get into it. Though you can tap the following button to unfollow someone on TikTok, you cannot use this method to unfollow everyone, but you can submit a report to the TikTok team. Here's how to do it. Open the TikTok app. Tap the profile icon. Tap the menu on the upper right corner. Tap Settings and Privacy. Swipe up the Settings and Privacy until you reach the Support section. From there, press Report a Problem. Tap the paper icon beside the Report a Problem page heading. Type your message in the message field and press Submit. From there, wait for 24 hours for the support team to reply to the report you submitted. If you can't wait for that long to hear from TikTok support team, you can always use third-party apps. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.